So, are we going in
You
this
think
boy?
you a young flexor, dude? Look at my gun.
Open! Guys, I just went inside Belching bed.
Petrified dudes. Oh! Easy kill.
Headshot!
Easy kill.
Bro,
Easy kill.
rescued
We're
it.
popping off. We're insane.
Bro, now I'm hungry. Only rads!
I just got like so many rads.
Did get the submachine gun, but hold up, everybody. I need to, oh, it's level 45. I can't even use it.
I like the shotgun.
Yo, guys, hold up. I need to eat something. Canned dog food. I love me. Wait.
Yeah, I didn't get that. I got ammo from that man.
Okay, squad leader. Tim and Andrew are both dead.
Guys,
Now
I'm in
what
my
the hell are
big
we
green
supposed to do?
tractor. We can go slow, or we can go faster.
Entry 2. We've lost Timothy Wolf
And the assault rifle's level
and Andrew Rhodes
50.
to a swarm of Scorched. And the rest of us barely made it past them alive. I'm beginning to think Melody Larkin may have underestimated the difficulty of this exam.
Oh,
There
what's
was
up,
an
boys? Grenade!
What the hell with this? I'm going back.
Got him.
No, you're not. You're
Never
staying
mind,
with
get him,
us.
boys.
Oh, what the heck is that? There's
What?
more.
So we get picked off one by one so we're all dead? No way, not me.
God,
Ah.
You
I
know
mean,
what,
man.
Ty? You've been acting like
Rads!
this ever since we started tackling the Scorched.
I'm already
farm.
almost dead,
And
guys.
now, Tim and Andrew are dead because of you.
I've not taken a
What the hell are you
single
talking
piece
about?
of damage.
I'm gonna
I
eat
saw
something.
him, Max. When those Scorched pushed through the
We're
tunnels,
supposed to
they
go
came
through
at
this
us from
radio
all sides.
test.
Free
Tim and
rads.
Andrew were holding, and they told Cy to watch the back, but he didn't. He ran away and left their rear flank wide open.
I'm
That's
gonna
what
yelling in
took
my
them
ear.
down.
Sounds like a Andy. So are we going in, boys, or what?
Bullshit. She's
Yeah.
lying, Max.
Oh, both of you knock it off.
Alright,
Sebastian,
later.
stuck
you
in a
can
box.
both go, but you're going back alone, and I guarantee we didn't
Yeah.
clear everything behind us. Even if you
boxes
make
are
it, mark my
deadly.
words, you'll never be part of this squad
Well,
again.
that was my only name.
Why am I the one leading? Are we got a dude, man?
Hell with folks. I'm out of here.
Oh
You're
my gosh,
seriously
my
letting
shotgun
him
has no
go?
range. I just realized that.
Yeah, Rita. We're better off.
I know! Ow! Ow! Who's shooting me?
These guys have a
Of
lot
course
of
I'm
shotgun ammo.
over-encumbered.
I have 100. Low key about to pop
Guys,
off.
I'm over-encumbered. This is
Drop,
not good.
drop useless guns.
Yo, guys, hold up. Guys, wait for me. I need to drop some stuff.
We're at a dead end. I think if you fall down there, you die. I think we have to make the jump. See that? Oh, Zach. Zach, the only way you can get
Alright, we're
down
good.
is if you jump.
Ah!
No!
I made it!
Oh no. Hey, you wanna stay back?
You guys told me to jump.
I have a stim pack.
Where is it?
I dropped it right here.
Thank you, kind sir. Why'd you guys tell me to jump?
We were memeing.
I was gonna die.
Guys, look. Hide and seek. Find me in this barrel.
Oh, bro, this gun's nasty. These guys have a lot of shotguns. Got you.
I'm on fire.
Ow!
I helped you, Zach.
On us?
Attention,
Oh, it's
citizens.
not on us. Oh, it's in the
Nuclear
red.
strike
It's in the
imminent.
red area. We're fine.
Please exit the area at your earliest convenience. Thank you for your cooperation.
Well, boys, I'm almost dead again.
Eat food, it gives you health.
Guys?
Eat like meat though.
Sylvester left a team some time ago.
Meat? Got it.
We heard screams echoing
Got that
through the
awesome
mines
opossum?
minutes after he left.
Grilled
On
red roach? Is that meat?
Rita and I are all that's
Oh,
left.
Liddy.
Despite the odds, we've somehow made it to the beacon. What's supposed to happen
Where's the
when we
Coca-Cola?
activate that beacon? I don't know. I suppose we'll get
Oh, it's
Melody
with the
Larkin's
sprinkler
next
stuff.
instructions
Where's the
about how to
Coca-Cola?
get out of here.
And where's the Nuka Cola?
No reason for us to stand
Boy.
here and
Oh, he's right here, boys.
push the damn.
Ow! Me face! Hey, why am I like all like... Why can't I sprint sometimes? Like, the bottom right, I have a
Are you
little
over
thing.
encumbered?
No. I have something else. I have another problem. That was pretty fun. I saw that shot.
They're everywhere.
I've got over 120.
Don't know.
Just out of curiosity, who is talking
Didn't
to
come this
us?
far just to give up.
My shotgun has
Like, I
mad
keep
range.
hearing this voice, and like, I have no
I'm
idea
with you,
who's
Mac.
talking.
Insulting.
If we don't make it out of here, I just want you to know
Are we going up?
it's been a real honor.
How'd you even get up there? Oh, there you
Likewise.
go.
Now
There's
let's
a
go show this
staircase.
bush what it means to be a fire breather.
The staircase is up here.
Yeah, there's staircases. Some freaking shocking shit.
Bad guys up here.
Oh, I can scrap some items right here. Liddy.
I'm dead. Help! 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 Never mind. I got him.
And how many stairs?
You got that
You're
Fortnite
bad.
aim.
Oh, what the hell? It just went dark for me.
Turn your flashlight on. I might already have it on.
I did. I did have none.
I need to eat some meat.
Oh, I just got a disease cure. Let's go, bro. So now I can cure Ryan of diarrhea. Oh, look at it.
Dude, I'm ratted up right now. I'm almost out of food.
I think so. Yeah,
Okay.
the countdown's over.
I ate some more food, but I like have no food left.
Not really. Ryan's in good shape. Actually, you both have the same amount of health. Dude, you just have a lot less radiation.
I also have like 10 rataways. That's why I don't care about eating rataway meat.
Ow. Ow!
Ow. Ow.
I'm fast and all. Got him.
I got a quest completed.
Death from above. Did you get that?
Yep.
Oh, same, bro. We're like twins.
Look, you feel
You
lost.
guys are waiting. You guys are waiting for me while I'm leaving, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Got it. Wait, hold. Wait for me! Ah, why'd you guys leave me?
This is the entrance, guys.
I
We have to retrace our steps.
wait, this is the entrance?
Yeah.
Wait, we just went in a circle?
Yeah. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend. We went left last time.
Did we go left or right? Did we go left
Already
or
went
right?
left, but last time we went up.
No, I'm pretty sure we went right.
No, we went
No,
by the
we
tractor.
went. No, so why are we going left again? You know the way?
Yeah, last time we went up because I was like getting killed. Remember? Good times.
Yeah, good times. So, how do we go down? Oh, we can go this way. No, we can't. Can we?
That's a big wall.
Yeah, it's a dead end.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have 58.
I have 100. I have 182.
Oh, 10mm? You're stacking. Here.
Drop 50.
I dropped all mine because I'm a good friend. Hey, Jude.
Yeah, I'll give you 85. I dropped you 85. Thirsty.
Oh,
no, what are you talking about?
Hey, I'm in troubling errors right now. Can't support myself in the family. Had to drop all my shots, all my ammo. Really struggling out here. Only have 120 shotgun bullets left.
Okay, so here.
Let's jump!
This is where I jumped, right? I was at 1 HP.
Yeah, I only have 2 stim packs.
I think I accidentally used a stim pack, so that's nice. What is? What are you trying to
I
get?
got fire damage.
Ow! Good fire damage. Fire Nation. Okay.
Here, take this 10mm ammo.
No,
To this dead guy.
you're a dead guy.
Whoa! Yeah, I'm not being the boss.
Bro, fire axes are
That's the
pretty-
way. Yeah,
Bro,
that's
this
my
fire
main.
axe does 55 damage, dude.
I have it. I'm a fire axe guy.
Move your mom. Haha.
Uh-oh.
What's going on? You did something. We're all gonna die! No, seriously, what'd you do? Why, is this whole place gonna blow? Oh, shoot.
Dude, is this you who set this off, or is it someone else?
Yep, this was Jude. Jude, where are we supposed to go?
Dude, did you set it off?
Yes, we're all about to die.
How'd you do it?
You just pressed a button.
Oh, you never clicked the red.
You never click the red button. You never
Yeah,
listen to the
who
mission.
created the mission? I wanna talk to him. Bernie!
Yo, turn left here, it's a shortcut. Left's right here. Then we go around. Shortcuts. Oh my god, right? Okay, you can thank me later.
You actually...
We're trying to get to the front. We're trying to get out of here, right? So follow me. I just took a shortcut and y'all went the long way. I'm gonna survive and you guys aren't.
I mean, the buzzers... The buzzer didn't even continue.
Oh, there's scorched people following us?
Can we beat them up?
Oh. Yeah.
That's my favorite.
A lot of smoke. Guys, I made it, but I'm too scared.
No.
I'm waiting for you guys. You're such a good friend. We made it!